Let's see what you can do now.
Let's go, man.
Don't smile, kid.
How much you want? All day.
Shoot. Look, Pop, I can fly.
From North Carolina, Edgar, 6'6", Michael Jordan.
Happy holidays everyone, it's ZJ Flash and I'm here to show you how to customize your Air Jordan 1s. Today we're going to be taking off that Jordan Air tag and replacing it with a Nike Air tag. So let's get started. Alright everybody, so I show you how to customize your Air Jordan 1s. So I know what some of you may be thinking. Where can I purchase these tags? I'll go ahead and provide you with an email address that you can contact somebody that can make you these custom tags or any other custom tags. I'll also show you what kind of supplies you need to get the job done. Hopefully you guys like my video, and if you like it, thumbs up. Thanks.